Hello everybody, sorry it's been a while, but this video should really make up for that. As you can see, here's the brick. Now, I'm sorry about that little green light on the camera. I can't help that. Alright, so I came down here, I saw this red flashing light, I automatically knew it was this. Now the yard is completely empty, just this and the Conrail caboose. There's nobody on side, train's completely off. There's nobody in this yard. I do not recommend coming down here if the yard is full and when it's active, but I'm taking a chance today because this is really cool. Look at this. Here's the car, inspector car where everybody sits. And here is the actual brick. Now, this used to be a high hood for, I'm pretty sure, Southern Railway Company. It is not an active unit, so it cannot run under its own power because, of course, it has no actual engine. You have to have an engine like this to pull it. So here it is, and that's 34. As you can see, there's no crew on board this Dash 9. There's nobody. The yard, completely empty. So here we have it. The brick sitting in a silent, dead yard. I've never been down this far, so this is quite cool. It's really a change of the environment, and I really think it's cool down here. But again, if it's active, this would be a really bad place to be. So here we have it, the Dash 9 9221, which is the leader, and then we have the brick and its research car. Well, thank you for watching, and I'm very sorry for the lack of videos. Views have not been doing too good, so I apologize. And here we have it, the dead yard. Down there we have a maintenance away train. It's been tied down there for a few days. But this is pretty much all that's in the yard. This and the Conrail caboose. I'm going to be taking some pictures. After this there'll be some pictures. So thank you. And tell me in the comments if you like these commentary videos better than just trains rolling by. Thank you for watching and staying tuned. And I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the pictures. Thank you. Power Rail Fan Productions out.